In this free, value-packed masterclass, I'll show you the simplest path to escape the 9-to-5 grind and start making steady $10,000 months or more flipping vacant land. My name's Mike Deaton, and about 10 years ago, my wife and I left our corporate careers behind to pursue more freedom and control in our lives. We built a lifestyle of freedom through land investing, and now we help professionals do the same, earning $5,000, $10,000, $25,000 or more per land deal, and in only a few hours a week. Most people never really reach financial freedom because they chase too many side hustles, stay stuck in careers that drain away their time, and never take control of their income. In the Freedom Builder Masterclass, I'll show you how to cut through the noise, find the right markets, buy the right properties at the right price so you can flip them for big profits. And you can do it from anywhere. You'll see how other people just like you are finding freedom one land deal at a time. So click the button below to save your seat for the Freedom Builder Masterclass. Seats are limited, so don't wait. I can't wait to show you how to start building more freedom into your life.